What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded anything in a while. I've been very busy focusing on my trading. And in this video, I just wanted to go over something I've been getting a lot of messages about, and that is my crypto portfolio. As some of you know, crypto did take a pretty big hit a few weeks ago, and I've seen a lot of people on social media, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, where they are holding their coins. Now, buying and holding crypto, you gotta remember, crypto is still speculation. It's not like buying and holding the S&P 500 index where they are solid companies turning revenue, and if one of those companies don't perform, it gets replaced by another company. When you are buying and holding crypto for the long term, you have to remember all this is still speculation, and the governments can still come in and put regulations. We've seen what's happening with Binance. We've seen what's happening with a lot of the FUD, with China, with a lot of the media, saying a lot of negative things about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. In this video, I wanted to update you guys on my portfolio, what I did. I did take a pretty big loss, about $10,000, but I'm gonna explain why I sold all my cryptocurrency. So as some of you are aware, in my previous videos I've done about my crypto portfolio, this account was over $30,000 and now it's sitting just under 5,000. I have withdrawn a lot of this money and I'm sitting on cash. And what I have done is, and the main reason I sold all my cryptocurrency was for a tax write-off. Now, here in Australia, we have been pretty much a lot of our crypto holdings are being audited, and they are spending a lot more money to track down crypto gains. So if you haven't reported any money you've made from crypto, earlier in 2021, I actually made a fair bit of money kind of day trading crypto. But here in Australia, if you take a loss on any investment vehicle, you can deduct it against your tax. So as crypto was crashing, I quickly sold all my coins before it crashed even further. I was down about $10,000 in my portfolio. If I would have held onto it, I think I would be down about 16, 17,000 today. So what I've done is I'm reinvesting slowly. So first reason was massive tax write-off it gave for me. Second reason is to get in at a better price. I am dollar cost averaging into crypto now, since I am kind of medium to long-term holding these coins until we see a massive bull run again, and then I'll profit off the speculation. You got to remember, crypto is still speculative, and I'm here to make money with crypto. Unlike my long-term investing with the S&P 500, this is a different type of investing for me, as I'm trying to make capital gains. I'm trying to make short-term profits and pretty much take my money out. With long-term investments like the S&P 500, I am more or less keeping the money in there for years and years and years and let it compound. With crypto, like I was saying, it's still speculative. You can see in May, I was up about just over $32,000 on this account. And basically you can see we've had this decline. This is when Elon Musk said he's no longer accepting Bitcoin for Tesla. You can see a lot of the news came out from China, and as you can see into June, and then about 20,000 when my account was down just $10,000. I took it all out. I left some in there, and now I'm just letting it pretty much kind of slowly work back my gains. I was very exposed into multiple coins, and what I did is I did a lot of research on the coins I'm comfortable holding for a long time, no matter what happens. And I'm, like I was saying before, dollar cost averaging into these coins. What I'm holding is PancakeSwap, XRP, VeChain, Polygon Matic, HBAR, and Cardano, and with a little bit of Bitcoin there as well. So pretty much they're the coins I've done a lot of research on. That is my portfolio going forward. And every week, every Monday to be specific, I will invest $50 into each of those coins. Doesn't matter if the market's up or down. I'm not timing it. I'm just more or less trying to dollar cost average until so I can get in at an average price, which is way better than what I was in initially when I started putting a lot of money in around March, April, when the market was almost at all-time highs. And that is one of the reasons I wanted to take a lot of the money out quickly so I can start reinvesting what profits were left in at a better price. One thing I want to add here, and this is not financial advice, is should you be investing in crypto? Now, if you are here in Australia, or anywhere in the world, if you want to get into investing in crypto, I recommend using SWYFTX. That is the crypto exchange I've been using since day one here in Australia, and I've never had a problem with them. I've done multiple other videos you can go check out. I'll put the links up here, and they've never really had an issue with anything. And if you do sign up, if you use the link, my link below, I get 30% commission. You can use it. If you want, you don't have to, you can go straight to their website, but you also get $10 worth of Bitcoin if you sign up and once you verify your account. So I'll put the link at the bottom in the description as well. And go check out SWYFTX, do your own research, but from my experience and what I've seen over the internet and my previous videos, once again, you can go check them out. I've never had any kind of issues with them. My personal opinion about cryptocurrency right now is that a lot of the crypto market is on sale. They are still at a very good price. And if you're looking to get into buying crypto or trading crypto or getting it at a good price, now would be the time. Quickly jumping over to the daily chart on Bitcoin, you can see we're pretty much ranging around this level over here, and then using these wicks over here. We've found a lot of resistance at 31,500 level and all the way down at the 28,000 level, where the market has literally just been consolidating, ranging between these 2 points. I still think we might see, once again, I'm not going to predict the future, but I still pretty bearish on Bitcoin. If we can break above the 50 EMA on the daily chart, then that may change my bias a little bit. But overall, I still think we could see a correction down into the high 20s, mid $20,000 area, or pretty much around this 800 EMA, this blue line over here. Once again, we don't know what's gonna happen. If Bitcoin crashes, unfortunately, all the other altcoins will follow what Bitcoin does. But if Bitcoin does rally and it does break above the 50 and continue higher, we will see once again the altcoin market follow Bitcoin. So if we do see a break and close on the daily chart below $30,000 on Bitcoin, we could definitely see the market roll over and then hit to the high or mid $20,000 range. But if it does break above the daily 50 EMA, it could change the bias a little bit and we could see Bitcoin rise higher. Once again, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion from what I've been analyzing and what I've been seeing around the internet and doing my own research. So if someone did come up to me and say, hey, Jerome, is now a good time to invest in cryptocurrencies? I want to make, a little bit of money. What's going to happen? I believe if you start small, I wouldn't go too heavy just yet. Keep some money on the side and maybe start dollar cost averaging if you want to try and even out the best price, and make sure you do your research on what coins to follow, what coins to invest in. Don't be putting money in meme coins. Yes, you can get some exponential gains out of it, but if you're trying to do this properly, if you're trying to do it less risky, once again, this is speculation. Try and put your money into some of these stable coins like XRP. Once again, even XRP is a little bit risky since they are going through a lawsuit at the minute, and you just never know the outcome of what's going to happen. You still don't know the outcome of Bitcoin. We still don't know the outcome of the whole crypto market if the government does put regulations on it, if the government starts cracking down on crypto exchanges that aren't regulated. Things could get pretty messy. So once again, links in the bio if you want to join up the SWYFTX. It is an Australian exchange, very reliable, good fees, good rates, and I do recommend them. If not, do your research on other exchanges. I know there's been a lot of stuff happening with Binance in the UK, but once again, only kind of advice I would give you if you're looking for a crypto exchange is please make sure they are regulated. SWYFTX is regulated. The last thing you want is to put your money in an unregulated broker or crypto exchange, and unfortunately you can't get your money out, or you make profits and you can't get them. If you have stayed this long in the video, I appreciate you guys sticking around. If you haven't already, please like the video, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified when I release any new content. Once again, I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you all in the next video.